2025, what a year. I'm here to wrap it up on behalf of SPEC Toolbox. We started the year as CLT Toolbox and we ended up something much bigger. This year was all about velocity. We started the year launching a CLT Toolbox community forum. After that, the European launch of the software. We did a USA and Canada beta program. We did a USA and Canada full launch. And we expanded our free version not only to our engineering users, but also students globally. We shipped major product releases and category expansions from brackets to composite systems with TCCs and rib decks. But most of all, we had a rebrand. We realized that the innovation chain has a bottleneck. So suppliers will invest tens of millions or millions in manufacturing capacity, millions in product development, but if it's too hard to design, it's not going to get specced. So making innovation easy to design has become our mission. And we think solving this bottleneck can take construction to new places. So we'd like to thank our partners.
On the CLT Toolbox platform
is an educational instrument.
Share common experiences and beliefs.
The best solution.
Which makes it easier than ever.
Our partners are obviously much bigger companies than ours, but they really believed in us from the very start and supporting our mission. Whether you joined us this year, expanded geographically, or expanded the categories on the platform, we're super proud to build this ecosystem with you. And of course, we wouldn't be here without our team. Now, I don't think it's happened before where you've got a mix from Indonesia, Ethiopia, Serbia, and Melbourne. But this cocktail mix is one hell of a mix and experience to have. We've got a lot of love and care for one another, but bloody hell, we work really hard to achieve our goals. SPEC Toolbox, we're looking forward to 2026. We're going to grow our team to 55 people by the end of February, and we've got a backlog full of innovations to bring to you. We're going to expand the platform, we're going to improve quality, and we're going to take our mission to the next level. To everyone, thank you for being on this journey with us. It's been incredible, and cheers. Here's to 2026.